Unraveling the Magic of Good Luck, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss. Something that you've probably heard many times but might not fully understand. The phrase, good luck. Whether you're taking exams, starting a new job, or embarking on an adventure, this phrase is ubiquitous. So, let's dive in and find out what it really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Good luck is a phrase used in English to express wishes of success and fortune to someone. When we say, good luck, we are conveying our hopes that things will turn out well for the person we are speaking to. It's a positive expression, and it's often used in situations where someone is about to face a challenge or is embarking on something new. You can use good luck in various scenarios. Here are a few common examples. Exams and tests. Before someone takes an exam or a test, you can say, good luck, to wish them success. Job interviews. When someone is going for a job interview, good luck is a great way to show your support. Sports and competitions. Athletes often hear good luck before a big game or competition. New ventures, starting a new business or project. Good luck is fitting for these occasions as well. If someone wishes you good luck, there are several ways you can respond. Here are some polite and positive responses. Thank you. A simple, thank you, shows your appreciation for their good wishes. Thanks, I'll need it. This response adds a bit of humor and humility to your reply. I appreciate that. This shows gratitude and acknowledges the good wishes. There are other ways to wish someone luck in English. Here are a few alternatives. Best of luck. This is just another way of saying, good luck, and is equally common. Break a leg. This is a theatrical way to wish someone luck, especially popular in performing arts. Fingers crossed. This implies that you are hoping for the best outcome for someone. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, good luck. We hope that this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this common English expression. Remember, it's all about spreading positivity and wishes of success. So next time you hear, good luck, you'll know exactly what it means and how to respond. Thank you for watching, and good luck in your English learning journey.